Wow, beautiful hidden waterfall, food cooked on wood fire, fun. Let me take you on my favorite hike near Kingston and learn about Jamaica's medicinal herbs and plants on this trail and the powerful voice of Velmor. Good morning, people. Wake up. Yes, I have coffee here. Can you smell it? I'm sweating. This was stressful, turning my car in such narrow roads. Oh my god. Now this makes me nervous. Anyway, I turned the car. Guys, it's early morning and they're testing my driving skills already. So like, let's see if this girl can drive. Let's give her some parking tests. When I came up, I thought, oh, please don't make a car come down my way now. No traffic, please. Because it's so narrow. And it will tell you, yeah man, come. Yeah, no, you're good.
Where is this space?
And he's like, which space? Where? Oh, watch out. Oh, Jesus Christ. My God. You see? Oh my God. Somebody do that and these cars do this every day?
Yeah, essentially.
And alone without assistance?
I mean, they all live here.
They all live here? All right, you passed the test as well. Yeah. All right, let's the adventure begin. So we have Velmor. Oh, Velmor.
Yes.
Butchering her name.
Yeah.
Velmor.
Fine, heading to sweet sugarloaf. And sugarloaf got its name from the pineapple. That's
Ooh,
sweet.
my favorite.
Delicious.
Guys, you know, sugarloaf are pineapple.
And
Sweet
your
like
tour?
sugar. I'm our tour guide.
Young man.
All right. And you will follow us later.
Yes.
All right, guys. Don't
I'll be
worry.
there soon.
Don't worry. You're going to see her soon.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, take care. Good morning.
So,
My heart. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got already my parking test.
Know the susumba.
Susumba. Oh yeah, Susumba.
And you
Bitter.
also know that the leaf is good for a cold.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I know it's bitter to eat.
Yeah.
Like the beans.
Yeah. When it is look older, it will be very bitter. You also have to search me out.
Yeah, people. Here we are going on a hike. Chad in the back. You're practicing your Spanish? Somebody's going on vacation. Anyways, guys, so yeah, Lily's supposed to be here, but this morning she's like, oh, got Beckett, catch flu. Speedy recovery, my girl. Ooh, hike, yeah. Alright, it's a steep hike.
Spanish nigger.
Yeah.
It is also a good cold bush. For
Spanish
the
nigga,
cold.
I heard of that one too. This is steep. Wow. People, we're hiking on Sugarloaf Hill and it is a hike. Yeah. Steep. Whew. Oh yeah, I see.
My father told me that it can eat, but I don't know what it is for. So I never tried it before.
Funny, it really looks like aloe vera, but guys, it's not. It has actually a fruit there. Could have fooled me. My hiking shoes get into action, finally. Yes, I need to walk them in. So maybe I'll do the Blue Mountain Peak end of the year. Maybe, I don't know. Don't listen to me.
Guys, hiking shoes actually very important because when we look to the side, bare precipice.
Oh, look at this view. This is
It's really beautiful. Look at that.
This is amazing.
All plant, when you are going to use it, any herbal bush, strength.
Can you guys take notes? This is like a herbal walk. They basically have all the herbs on this trail, so you can. George will educate you guys on the herbs. Oh, leaf of life.
Yeah, the leaf of life is a cold bush and also good for upset stomach. Yeah,
right?
you can try it up just like that.
Take a look at this.
Oh, it's sweet.
Yeah.
Like sweet sour.
It have a little sour,
yeah.
but yeah.
Doesn't taste bad.
It is good for the cold.
Yeah.
Or upset stomach.
So it's
And
a cold is going around. Eat it. Good for you.
this is a detox bush. This is a rice bitters to detox the body. It is very bitter.
Oh.
But I also have one more on the trail that is.
Since there is a cold going around, I just eat more.
People, I actually eat bush. I eat leaf. The leaf of life. I'm only forever.
Yeah.
Forever young.
Why were you? Pepper elder?
Of spice, yeah.
Yeah.
Right? Smell have a very good flavor.
Oh yeah. That's very nice. I'll take some of that one. Oh, I'll take that one too. This smells so good. Pepper elder, so I'm gonna take some of that and sage as well. Sage good too. You need to try be able to recognize these bushes because I could walk past them and not or maybe I could recognize it by this little flower here.
The pepper ela is very, very gianty. If you look at the tree,
Yeah.
there's a whole little a giant on it. Well, but another tree that look like the pepper ela, but it's not the pepper ela.
Okay.
Yeah.
Two? Alright, I'll have some of that. Oh, you
So
want
let her
it?
take this. No, I don't want.
No, but you take this piece.
And
Okay.
so this can throw.
This one can throw it, because this one is brown.
Okay. People! Yes! You see all this natural
one over
herb tea I'm having here? Oh man, no cold can catch me again. Prepare it. Because there's a cold.
If you're going to boil it for the cold, you would like to take a piece of the leaf of life with it.
Leaf of life?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take that. Perfect.
And you can boil just like 3 leaves of each one of them.
But I have to dry it first, right?
Yeah. I think you can put it on for like a 2 day. Or
2
so.
days, yeah. And
And when
then
it quail, you can boil it.
and then boil it. This one is also good for cancer.
Yeah, the research.
Yeah.
I was watching it on YouTube. The research said it's good for cancer
Yeah.
and to develop the brain.
Right. I saw that too. Heaven, soursop leaf, which is right, this one. This is deep. I don't even want to say anything. 78-year-old going up here, so my young self, I should not say nothing. Right, Chad?
Yep. I think it works both ways. Them going here up and down, it will build them muscles
Yeah.
around them.
Marjo bitters.
Yeah. This one is very bitter.
I'm afraid of bitter.
Huh? That actually fit you. That looks so big.
It looks so big because I have a big foot.
What size were 10?
11
11 women. So all the time in a man
or
now.
12. Yes, I have a big foot. But these shoes just look so enormous. What? Vitamin C. This is so beautiful. I'm loving this hike. Love, 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 love. Really love it. Man, a good thing we got up this morning. Yeah. Got up at 6 o'clock to be the first people here. This is nice, narrow little way. Ooh. It's a good thing I'm wearing my hiking boots because it's like you're walking on loose gravel kind of vibe. So if you have good shoes, that's much. Oh, thinking toe. A lot of it. You know, guys, you know about stinking toe. Oh my God, so much. You call it Stinking Toe Trail. How many?
And this is sweet.
Yeah, this is stinking toe.
I don't like it.
But you cannot have too many of it. It will choke you. You
Yeah,
have to have water with it.
yeah.
So I always just take a little piece. Guess that I bring here, they will love it.
Really?
Yeah.
Stinking Toe. One time, one Rasta make it with some.
Yeah. It can make a
Like-
very good punch.
Yes.
You can use lemon to sweeten it.
Yes, he
The
added
honey.
lemon, honey, and some.
Yeah.
When you drive Junction, there's a guy.
They say good for the
Yeah, that was the first time I was like, actually don't taste bad. When you mix it with the honey and the lime and all these things.
I do those things also. That's the way I do
That's the way I.
I like it.
it. You put in the water to soak and take out the seed. And then you blend it. And squeeze that, you put the ginger. Whatever.
So this is good for. What is it good for?
They say just good for the body, the immune system. Yeah.
All right, I'll take another bite.
Build it up.
It stink.
So it give you that energy.
That's true. As I say, you have to add things to that make it taste good.
Yeah. That's the Stinking Toe tree. It's huge. So you take that way to go to school?
When
You
we are
used to
going
back-
school,
you used to walk this way?
Yeah, and went down to school.
You see, guys, every day, walking this trail to go to school. Tell you guys, some kids have it very good. Imagine some kids have to do that, and then just get drive to school,
And then still not do nothing else.
and they still not in school.
Not take them book.
I had a long way to school as well. Walking, riding bicycle. It took me an hour to get to school. So I know it. My way was half an hour riding with a bicycle, then another half an hour with a bus to get to
Bicycle, then
school.
bus.
Yeah. Yeah, people, yeah. And rain or shine, you'll be on that bicycle riding to school.
I was driven on a chauffeur, but
Ooh,
Yeah, you can eat. It's very sweet.
sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's nice.
You used to run race to come and pick up these things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Coming from school, you want to be the first to reach at the local
To reach at the
spot.
locust tree.
To pick up very much in a bag. And we used to sell it at school. To make up our lunch money.
Yeah.
See that right now? She will scream.
Oh, nice. It's very good. This is now the ladder. Let me turn.
all for just in case I slip.
Mosquitoes, you're not gonna get me today. No. I prepared for you, mosquitoes. Yeah, yeah. If it's cold for your feet, then it's gonna be terrible for your upper body. Chad is trying. I'm testing the water, the depths. Come on, guys. I take you with me. Woo!
There's no beach right here. Sugarloaf Falls, outside.
on it. Enjoy the falls. Sam, you can have it.
Kitchen with Velmor, Chef Kimarley, Assistant Davian, and George here on the fire. See, this George doesn't want to get the fire going, right? Chef up the thing, you don't know?
What we have on the menu today?
Okay, so we have ackee and saltfish, steamed callaloo, roast breadfruit, and also pesto.
Ooh, people, you're missing out. Nice, nice. This hike is so beautiful. I love it. That's such a beautiful trail.
Man, it's still very good though, cause
Yes, people. 70, 80 years old, walking up here.
feet on ready, strong.
Strong.
Them strong up, man.
We have to move up to the hills. That's what? Longevity?
I might longevity.
Longevity.
I might need them to go back from about 25, 26.
Chef Velmor. Am I saying it right? No?
Yes, you did.
Velmor?
Yes, Velmor.
Velmor. Chefing it up. Yes, that's an experience. You can book with her. Hike tour, waterfall. Yes, learn about the herbs. Many herbs on this trail. Love it. And it's so near to Kingston, people. Yes, another lovely trip. Not far. Not far. How are you doing, Chad? He's not used to the cold water. You're cold. Look how he's shaking.
A long time enough is so cold.
I asked him to hold my camera and he's like...
Nature.
Yeah, no, and then I'm like, no, I think you have to go down to the fire. He like this. Oh
But
man.
the water is nice though.
Yeah, that's good. It's like an ice bath. Good for muscle recovery.
Yep, it's full of things.
All right. Yes. This is delicious. Can't wait to dig into this. Yeah. So we have callaloo, ackee, breadfruit, festival, somewhere down there. Chad. Yeah. Breakfast by the waterfall. That's rich.
Muy rico.
There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, Velmor, I'm going to give us a little demonstration of her poetry.
We're going to do a poem. It's like a little poem. You can give me the artist if you can.
So everybody eat. Everybody eat to
Alright,
the
this
clapping.
poem was written by myself. Unity! Unity in the community. Unity! Unity in the community. You man, when you get the gun, a killer, the baby and the woman and son. You man, that the right, the better fight. Make people together and unite in the community. Unity! Unity! Unity in our community. In our community. Woo! We love that. Nice. Go again. Give me one more, yeah. want to give you a little calm, a little touch of it.
Yeah.
That's how I bring the action right here. This is my inspiration spot. From 12 years ago. Alright. This is my inspiration spot. My pain, my pain, my pain.
Woo!
In this world there is so much everywhere you go, so much people are dying. Brothers and sisters are killing each other. Children out there crying for their mother. My pain, this is my pain. Listen, how does it feel to wake up one morning and see your mother sitting down? She's your mother, but yet still you are being her mother when she needs a mother and another mother to be her mother. She got 3 strokes, nowhere to go, lying in her bed, you going to school, coming back, taking care of her, bathing her, feeding her, making space for yourself, making space for your mother. How would you do it? My pain, my pain, my pain. Woo! 18 years of age, my mother became my baby.
You're 18? Oh.
Alright, keep on the rhythm and go on the top. Like some. Yeah. Come on, here. Let's go the way you want to. Let's go, girl.
Hold on. Start over.
Alright, give me this. Yes. I'm going to mix it now. Alright, so you ready? Young girl, what you want to do? Yes. Don't you want to grow up to be a wife? Yes. Don't you want to be someone's wife? Yes. After you with them and watch them and try? Yes. Young girl, about everything to work on you. Yes. Let me make you like a wine now. Yes. Man, I feel the other one because on. Oh. Let's get the one to the hot one. Get up with it, get up with it, get up with it. Man, bring me the get up with it. Get up with it, get up with it. Young girl, listen up. Young boy, nobody go like no fool. Man, I touch you up and tell us that you're cool. I tell us that you're nobody go at school. Fool, you have to come back here, just be a fool. Fool, young girl, nobody go like the jerk. Don't make a man lift up your chest. Education of the step of it. One of the head and hey, get up with it. Get up with it.
Nice.
And all of that started right here at 12 years old.
My gosh.
Woo!
Put them together.
We are your friends.
It was amazing. I could listen to her all day singing.
Thank you.
Amazing. I'm so thankful that we got a demonstration. Yes, for you guys, you get to see
We're talking about all-inclusive tour.
all-inclusive tour.
Always perform for my customers.
Oh man, that was
They're having me.
excellent. People, that was an amazing tour. You can book this. Where can people find you?
On Instagram.
Yeah.
Sugarloaf Hike. Sugarloaf Herbal and Historical Hike. Number is 585-9472. Book it, man. Tell them about the water, man.
Right. So you learn about the herbs, right?
Yes, along the trail, we tell you about the herbs. And then you see this beautiful fall behind us, just waiting for you.
And they can have the cooking experience
Right
as well.
here.
Right here.
Tell them about
By
your
the
lunch
river.
today.
Yes, it was chef's kiss.
Come out and enjoy. I'm waiting
With? Yes. All right, people. This is lovely. Check out this experience. It's Sugarloaf Hike experience, herbal hike.
with Velmor
With Velmor
and George and the crew.
And the crew.
Sugarloaf crew, yeah.
So you know what to do. One book. I'll leave all the information in the link below.
Right there.
All right. Bye. You know, you see the road is difficult to walk, but you have house built and they bring blocks
Houses.
and
Cement.
cement So how you said they do it?
Taking our groceries up the hill.
Yeah.
Our cylinders.
And you said like everybody would take a block?
Yeah, you know, we work together as a team in the community. So if I'm building a
strength.
house and I got some blocks coming up the hill, everybody coming up the hill, like take a block in the night. We just take it to a descent, and you know that is where you're going to leave it for this week. And maybe in 2 days we move it
And
to
then from
another
there you
position
move it
until
up.
it slowly reach home.
I love it.
Unity is
And then
strength.
even exactly.
Yeah.
Teamwork
Teamwork.
makes the dream work, people.
That's my motto. Unity is strength. Nature is power.
Nature is power, guys. I always say, take some time, go out to the river, mountain, hike, ocean. That is it. Yes. Love it.